and we had the two takeaways from the president. Number one was that the coming of any person, any area, shouldn't disturb anybody. Then number two, that there shouldn't be any antisocial aspects that originate from these migrations. So the purpose of this eviction that the minister has talked about is to protect the people from indisciplined cattle keepers who destroy people's property, that includes the gardens and other properties. So the order has been given to evict everyone because of the indiscipline of some cattle keepers. And the operation will cover the whole of northern Uganda, where we have cattle herdsmen. And this is Lango, Acholi, and West Nile sub-regions. And in our meetings that we have had, we have agreed that 2 weeks, a period of 2 weeks, is given these herdsmen to peacefully evacuate themselves. And after the 2 weeks, forceful eviction will be applied for those who will not have complied with the period of the 2 weeks. And during this operation, we are going to establish holding areas where the impounded cows will be gathered for transportation. And everybody living, whether peacefully, whether forcefully, must have an exit permit. And the purpose of having this exit permit is to ensure that there is nobody who has stolen any other person's cows or animals. So we shall have checkpoints, and we shall be checking on these